everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Diana and today I am doing a Poundland haul. Yes, you heard me right. I am doing a Poundland haul, but today's video is gonna be Halloween special as I promised in my last video. Though I said it's gonna be up in 2 to 3 days, but nevertheless it's gonna be up in 3 days. Yeah, so I kept my promise there. So let's not waste much time and get going and see all those things I got. So here you go. The first thing that I picked from Poundland is not a pound, it's actually 3 pounds, and that's the only thing that I picked where I can say I spent it more than a pound. So yeah, that is the only thing. So I'm going to show you first and then I'm going to show you the rest of the things. So the first thing that I picked is this. Now this is a nice cute plastic lantern which is having a beautiful print of the pumpkin. Though they have like 2 more prints in this, but when you speak about Halloween, all you think is pumpkins, witches, stuff like that. So yeah, pumpkin is okay. Though they have 1 print in witches, but I thought pumpkin is okay for me for now. Yeah, so this is the only thing that is for 3 pounds and it has a candle in it, but they don't provide you batteries. So make sure if you buy this one, you make sure you buy some batteries as well. And once you light them up, this is how they look, and they look pretty cute. So yeah, this is the only thing that I picked for 3 pounds. Okay, let's turn off the battery and leave it for Halloween. So the next thing that I've picked, and from now on everything that I've picked is for a pound. So yeah, the next thing that I picked is this. Now this is a very cute spider web with a spider on it, and the best thing about it is it lights up. So I tried this one. So let me show you how it looks when it lights up. So yeah, and this is how it looks when it lights up. I'm sure you can see this one clearly, but if you see it in the dark, it looks more beautiful. So like, you see? So yeah, sorry about the people, but yeah, this is how it looks when it lights up in the dark. So this is pretty good. Though when I bought it, I didn't knew it lights up, but I came home and I read about it because I just went for shopping and I picked it up and I'm sitting here and I'm doing the vlog. So yeah, when I checked this up, it says it lights up. So yeah, light up spider web. This is, if you can see, sorry because the focus is focusing too much today. So yeah, I got 2 in these, like here you go. I got 2 in this, so this is a pound each, so 2 pounds for that. And next thing that I picked is this. Window stickers. You can use it for windows, you can use it for balcony doors, you can use it for main doors, I don't know, but as long as there are glasses on them, it should not be a problem. So here you go, this is how it looks. It has all sort of scary creatures on them. So yeah, it's for a pound and it's a very good deal for a pound, I believe, when you want your house to look more of a Halloween special. So yeah, so this is another thing that I picked. So the next thing that I picked is this. This is a paper lantern which says Boo. I'll show you. Okay, so this says Boo and it has 2 packs, like mentioned over here, 2 packs. So you can have 2 in a pack for a pound, so that is a very good deal. I believe you can hang them up if you have balcony, like literally you can have 3 or 4. They have 1 in orange color as well. I was not very sure, but if I think that 2 colors would look good above my balcony, I would go ahead and pick 2, a pack of orange lanterns. I don't know what they say, Boo or something else, but this one says Boo. So yeah, 1 pack of paper lanterns. The next thing that I picked is this. Now this scary looking spider which was there, and it has nice red eyes and looks scary, but this one is like adjustable, so you can adjust it accordingly. You can leave him wherever you want. Okay, for some fun, as long as that fun is not very scary fun sort of a thing. But yeah, so here you go. You can hang it somewhere, you can make it straight and put it on the balcony, or you can just leave it somewhere over here hanging. Hangs, yeah, hangs. So yeah, something like that. If you have any plans of doing something, being more creative with this sort of stuff, then yeah, go ahead. This is for £1 and this is called the adjustable spider or posable. This is called the posable spider. So yeah, this time I got very lucky with the Halloween products at my Poundland, because normally when I see Poundland hauls, people have like so many things and so many varieties and options to show, and I like literally have like few options, you know. But this time I'm very happy because I've got like literally all the options. So moving on to the next item, the next thing that I picked up is this. Now this is a beautiful tray with all spiders on it. I think they have two colors in this, black and purple. I went for black. This time I went for black. Like most of the things that I picked are black in color. I don't know, I didn't do it purposely, but yeah, I got all of the black stuff. So this is a nice fruit tray, or I think so if you put a tissue, you can put some popcorns or whatever you like. It's up to you. Your tray, your wish, whatever you want to put or whatever you want to keep, just go ahead. Or maybe some sweets. Yeah, some sweets. So yeah, that's the next thing that I picked. The next thing that I picked is this pumpkin. Now again, I picked this pumpkin in black. Though they have, I think, so silver in this as well. But yeah, I picked it in black, and it has lights in it, and they look pretty good. So okay. So if you can see, I'm not sure if you can actually, but yeah, they blink and they look good. So I think so they look good when they are in the dark. So yeah, as you can see, when it is more dark, they look more like realistic than in bright lights. So yeah, so I picked two of these actually. So one more, here you go. So I picked two of these. So yeah, so this is all for £1. Yeah, this is all means one item for £1. Okay, so the next thing that I picked up is this spooky wheel. Yeah, so this is how it looks. It's nice black. It's a habit with black roses on it, and it has a nice veil behind it which looks quite cute. So this is something I picked for myself. I liked it. I'm gonna try and show it. The headbands look a little cute on me. I agree with that, but I don't know how you all feel. So I'll quickly put up and show you guys. If you all think it doesn't look good on me, tell me. Okay, it doesn't look good. Next time I'm not gonna wear it and show. So yeah, so this is how it looks. So yeah, I think it looks cute. At least I think. And sometimes, you know, I feel like, yeah, what I think is what matters the most, not about others. But yeah, still, if you all think this doesn't look good on me, let me know. I'll change my plan. So the next thing that I picked is this. This is a nice cat mask, which looks quite cute. It has nice glitteriness on it, which you need especially if you are planning for an evening get together, which is not possible now, I know, but with your family for fun, yeah, you can have this one. So this is how it looks. Nice and cute for girls. I'm not sure about boys, but yeah, definitely for girls, like cat girl theme. So yeah, I liked it. I'm loving it. So I picked this up, and it was for £1. Okay, and it leaves a little bit of glitter. So the next thing that I picked is this. Yeah, now this is a scary thing. This is a scary thing, but I love the detailing of this. Beautifully designed, beautifully shown. Let me quickly show you. See, if you check this out, you will not think this is for £1. Or if you happen to get this, it doesn't look, basically it doesn't look like it is for £1. This should be like at least for £2 or £3 if you ask me, but I found it for £1 and I didn't leave a chance to go ahead and grab it. So this is how it looks in front, and the back, it has this veil thing to cover yourself, and it also has an elastic to adjust. So for boys, I'm sure it should be enough thickness of the elastic and the fitness, or even if it is loose, then I think you can adjust it accordingly. So yeah, there's an elastic, and this is how it looks. So this is very nice, very cute, and for £1, yeah, it's a good deal. Okay, so the next thing that I picked is, this is something cute. This is something I picked for my little one. And this is a bat. Yeah, bat headband. So yeah, we are very fond of headbands. So yeah, this one is quite cute. It looks also quite cute. I'm not sure it fit me. Should fit me, so I don't have a big head. So yeah, this is how it looks. Cute. I'll put this down. So yeah, nice and cute. So yeah, this is how it looks, and this is also for a pound. So I don't want to wear it for too long because otherwise it will become big and it will not fit for my daughter. So yeah, this is for a pound. The next thing that I picked is this. How this. Now this thing is also for a pound. Very, very nice. Very, very pretty. I don't know how come they have all this stuff for a pound, but they really do have, and I'm sure that these things are not going to last for long. No, I'm sure about that. This looks so pretty. I'll try it on myself and show you all. Yeah, everything is like my size. So I'm sure if it fits me, it should fit you all as well. So yeah, this is how it looks. Very, very pretty. Very, very nice. Very, very cute. So yeah, loving this stuff for a pound. So let me show you the next thing. Okay, so the next thing that I picked is this. Now this is a 4 feet glowing skeleton. I'm not going to open it up and show y'all, because if I open it up and show y'all, it's not going to be the way it is supposed to be by the time of Halloween. So yeah, so it's like 4 feet. I'll quickly show you the there you go, the cover of this. It's like supposed to be look like this, and it is 4 feet and it glows in the dark. That's the reason they said the glowing dark skeleton. So yeah, this is something that I've picked, and I'm gonna leave this for last to open up. So yeah, another good deal. And then this is something that I picked. I'll show you. This is a skeleton, evil skeleton creature. So yeah, this is how it looks. And yeah. So yeah, if you're planning for a party with your family, only family members who are there in the house, it's not necessary always to plan a party, you know, with tons of people. You can have some time for yourself, and you can have a really good time. Trust me, sometimes you can have like just the amazing moments which you don't get to have when like lots of people are there, because you have to basically concentrate on everyone. But if you are with your family, then they are your main focus and they are whom you concentrate on. So yes, this is something. Maybe we can leave it on our dining table by making some scary looking dishes. I'll be expert in that. So yeah, so the next thing that I picked is again a light up ghost. And this is how he looks. Oh sorry, no, this is how he looks. He looks kind of cute, and I liked him. He's cute and he lights up. So let me quickly check. Lights up and he looks quite cute. Red, green, all sort of colors. Again, I'll put him a little far to show you all exactly how the colors look. So yeah, that's a blue, that's a green, and any other color apart from this? Okay, there's a white, and there's light green, and light blue, and that's it. Purple. And okay, they have basically lots of colors. Yeah, lots of colors like purple and I don't know, different colors. I'm not going to waste much time showing you all the colors. You all can have it for yourself and check it out what more colors are there. Okay, so let's move to the next item. The next item that I picked is this. This is a candle stand, basically. Not a candle, I would not say a candle stand, but yeah, candle holder. Basically a candle holder. You can put your candles here and you can just leave it wherever you want. This one doesn't give me that scary kind of a look. I don't know why they call him scary, but he's more like a joker. He is a joker, but okay, nevertheless he looks cute and we have him, so we are going to use him. We are not going to waste him. So yeah, next thing that I picked is this. This is a spider web. Now very good thing, because last year also when I picked, last year I didn't do it that grand because I'm still learning. Every year passes, I learn something or the other new. So yeah, last time I had this one and I opened this one and it was a beautiful one because it has like a web which you can spread as much as you want, and they also have a few spiders in them, if you can see. So these are the spiders which they have, and you can stick the spiders anywhere you want. So yeah, this is very good, very nice. I just got it one, but they have like tons of stock of this, so I'm sure by the time I go again to Poundland and shop a few more stuff, they should still have this one, and if I need, okay. So the next thing that I got is again the ghost, and this is a candle holder again. So yeah, this is another one. So one of this and one of this. So yeah, they are going to be together somewhere around here and there. So yeah, basically he looks very nice. They have done it really well. So yeah, I thought of getting it. Okay, so the next thing that I picked is this chainsaw. Now I got this one. I'm not sure where I'm going to put this one, but my little one likes it and she plays with it. So okay, as long as she thinks it's a nice toy and she's playing with it. So this one is quite tall, and if your kids love to play and they want something like what I can say, something to click pictures with, like scary pictures and stuff like that, and they can have this one and they can click a picture with that and they can have some fun, and because it's all about fun. Okay, so the next thing that I picked is lights, and this one is pumpkin lights. So let me quickly show you. This is how it looks. This is a pumpkin light, and there are 8 lights in it. Yeah, and this is also for £1. I'm not sure. I think we need to put batteries for this. And another one that I picked is this one. Now this is a spider web. You can see it clearly. This is a spider web, and these are also 8 lights in the pack. So the last thing that I picked is this. My daughter was playing with this one, so I couldn't show y'all right there and there. So I had to go and ask her to give me one for some time. So yeah, it makes little sound. It's supposed to make sound. So this one is called the Creepy Town Mother Duck. So yeah, this is the last item that I picked. So yeah, this is it, guys, for today's Halloween haul, Poundland special, which I have done. I hope you have liked this vlog of mine. If you have liked this vlog of mine, please share, like, subscribe, and leave your lovely comments in the comment box. I would love to see them. I would love to see them. And this is it. I will see you very soon in my next vlog. So till then, always stay happy, stay blessed, stay positive, and spread happiness, spread positivity, and keep smiling. So till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you all. Mwah.